The G6 is a truly unique outline. LG was the principal huge maker, simply beating Samsung, to receive the expansive screen, little bezel stylish, crushing a 5.7-inch show into a telephone which measures 148.9 x 71.9 mm. That is noteworthy, albeit, maybe it's been somewhat dominated by Samsung's Galaxy S8 plan now. Disregarding its opponents, the G6 is as yet a strong-looking telephone, and for the individuals who don't care for Samsung's Infinity Edge show, the G6 can be viewed as a non-Edge S8. The main thing you see when you get the G6 is exactly that it is so agreeable to hold. It's extremely ergonomic, and sits in the hand pleasantly. You don't feel like you are coincidentally squeezing parts of the screen, regardless of the little bezels. Assemble quality has likewise made a stride up. You have Gorilla Glass on the front and back of the gadget, with a strong metal edge. The G6 is effectively the most premium inclination gadget LG has ever discharged. There is, in any case, a somewhat empty feel to the back packaging which you don't get with Samsung and Apple telephones. LG states this is to maintain a strategic distance from a Note 7 style episode. The Power Catch's unique mark sensor is situated on the back in a pleasant focal area, where your finger normally rests. The G6 comes in 3 colorways, dark, white and silver. Apologies, that ought to be Astro Black, Mystic White, and Ice Platinum. LG has figured out how to make the G6's glass back reassuringly non-slippy, and the body is a praised IP68, which means it's water impervious to a profundity of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. In synopsis, the LG G6 doesn't have the most amazingly appealing plan out there, yet it's a premium, ergonomic telephone that is well thoroughly considered. LG has persisted the double camera reasoning from the G5, offering a standard camera, alongside a wide edge choice. Both back cameras are currently 13 megapixel, one has a 71-degree point and the other is 125 degrees, that is vast. In case you're a camera individual, that is more extensive than a 14mm focal point on a full outline camera. Selfie fans can cheer as well, in light of the fact that the front camera is wide as well, at 100 degrees. This implies substantial gatherings will have the capacity to show up in your photographs without crashing your own space excessively. The LG G6 will come running Android 7.0 Nougat. It's the best form of Google's portable OS. Truth be told, the G6 is the principal non-Google telephone to dispatch with Google Assistant. LG's skin for Android is currently substantially less of a hindrance to your delight, and less appalling than in times past. Regardless, it'd be better with crude Android, however there we go. We additionally can't complete this audit without saying cool hard specs. The LG G6 keeps running on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 quad-center processor and 4GB RAM. That is really a 2016 chipset, found in the Google Pixel, so it's not exactly as capable as the S8 which runs a Snapdragon 835. Will there be any detectable distinction in speed? No, we particularly question it. Everything on the LG G6 feels pleasingly zippy, from the unique mark sensor to opening applications.